what I just did?
Maybe you're moving your head, but I can't tell.
Good. Okay, now, so looking ahead, what's happening ahead?
There's a grid. There's a bend.
What about this sign? What's the sign telling you?
This road is
Okay, so what?
into this one.
Right. Right. Let's talk about the sign on the left, which you says something with the road. What's happening with the road? I told you, I asked you what sign is there. You says the road is
merging.
So you spotted a sign. What will be the thought process on your mind? What safety checks or what you should have been doing over there?
Slow down, check my mirrors, see if there's a car in front that's gonna come
from front.
As in, if there's a car ahead of me that was gonna go on my lane, because that lane is stopping.
So did you saw the sign clearly? What was the sign telling you? Do you saw the content in their sign?
It was a green sign with like
this
and this one coming
so
in.
What is that arrow telling you? Do you saw anything painted on the floor as well or not?
A grid?
Some arrows painted on the floor? Do you saw that?
The arrows going that way.
What is that telling you?
That if you're on that lane, you should go that way.
Okay, what if you're on the left lane? Then what would you do if you're on the left lane? Then what is your responsibility then?
You stay on your...
You stay on your lane, but do you do any safety checks?
You'd look to make
Which
sure...
mirrors? Center and the right?
Yeah.
Did you do anything at all? Did you check your right mirror or center mirror, right mirror that time?
Oh, I thought I had, but...
Did you move your head or
No.
did you? So how would the examiner know? So if let's play some game. So I want you to, so we call this peripheral vision, yeah? Now, what I want you to do, keep looking at that Blackburn Rovers indoor center sign there. And I'm going to do something and then see if you can spot what I'm doing, okay? So tell me what I just doing. Any idea?
No clue.
No clue, okay? What I just did?
No clue.
No clue, okay? What I just did?
Maybe you're moving your head, but I can't tell.
Good. Okay, now we're gonna do the other way around now. So I'm focusing on that Blackburn Rovers there, and you do something, and then I will see.
If I'm looking with my eyes, I'm guessing you can't see.
So I can't see anything. So now try to do something else. So you're looking your right. Okay. Try to do more faster for me. So right again. Yeah, up and down, left my side, moving your head like this. Do you understand this? Now, on your exam point of view, would you want examiner to looking ahead and using his peripheral vision, or would you want him to sit like this and do the lesson?
I feel safer if they were looking ahead.
Exactly. Now, how would examiner going to feel safer that you actually done your safety check by moving your head?
That makes sense.
See how I just try to explain to you now?
That definitely
now
makes sense.
there were two arrows there. What you should have done, check your right mirror and the right mirror again, make sure nobody is joining you from the right or overtaking you. If not, then you can carry on going. If they're side by side, let them go as well. But safety checks is a paramount whenever the road is merging.